welcome to Something's Cooking with Alpa, and today on the event of Republic Day we are going to make Tiranga Paratha. This paratha looks absolutely gorgeous and it is extremely healthy. Your kids are going to be fond of it and the people in your house are going to be amazed by the look of it. So let's make your kitchen your family's favorite restaurant by making this Tiranga Paratha. And if you do like my recipes, don't forget to hit on the subscribe button and then do click on the bell icon so you are first to know whenever I upload a new recipe, and it's free, so why wait? And now let's proceed. Okay guys, so for this recipe you're going to need 150 grams of palak, which is spinach, 4 to 5 carrots, which is gajar, 2 green chilies, 2 cups of whole wheat flour, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, which is maida, 1 teaspoon of carom seeds, which is ajwain, 2 teaspoon of garam masala, 2 teaspoon of jeera powder, which is cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, and about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil and salt as per your taste, and that is about it. So now let's begin our process. So guys, let's first prepare the puree. So in a large wok, I've already kept the water for boiling, and to that I'm going to add the spinach and cook it for the next 5 minutes. Make sure you keep pressing the spinach down in intervals. Then I'm going to remove the spinach in a strainer and add ice so the color of the spinach remains vibrant green. Once the spinach is cooled, then I'm going to add it to the blender and blend till I get a smooth puree, and then remove it in a bowl. Now let's make the carrot puree. So I'm going to add the sliced carrots and blend it, and then remove it in a bowl. So guys, I added about 1/4 cup of water to the carrots to make a smooth puree. So if you need to add water, please do add it. I also made the green chili paste in the blender and have removed it in a bowl. Now in a big flat dish, I'm going to add the all-purpose flour, which is maida, followed by the carom seeds, which is ajwain, and some salt, and 1 tablespoon of oil. And I'm going to mix it all in. Once mixed, I'm going to add a little water at a time and knead a dough tougher than the roti dough. And then cover with a slightly wet cloth and keep it aside for the next 30 minutes. So guys, I have divided the whole wheat flour into 2 equal parts, and now I'm going to add the first portion of the whole wheat flour in a big flat dish, followed by the carom seeds, which is ajwain, garam masala, jeera powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, some salt, and 1 tablespoon of oil. And I'm going to mix it all in. Once mixed, I'm going to add 3 to 4 tablespoons of the carrot puree and knead a dough tougher than the roti dough, and keep it aside in a bowl for the next 30 minutes. Now to the second portion of the whole wheat flour, I'm going to add the carom seeds, then the garam masala, jeera powder, salt, and 1 teaspoon of green chili paste, and 1 tablespoon of oil, and about 2 to 3 tablespoons of spinach puree. And mix it all in and knead a semi-tough dough and put it in a bowl and keep aside for the next 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I'm going to just refresh all 3 dough by kneading it once more, starting it with the white dough, then the orange dough, and then the green one. I've taken a small amount of each of the dough and have made round balls out of it. Then using my hands, I'm going to start putting pressure and start rolling the white dough, giving it a log shape. This is the size I'm going for, and I'm simply going to repeat the same for the rest of the 2 dough balls. I have all 3 logs ready. So now I'm going to pinch the logs at one end and then start rolling them in inward direction like so, making a circle. I'm then going to press it down using my hands. Also guys, make sure you keep pressing at the ends if they don't stick together. Now sprinkle some dry flour and start rolling it in just like how you roll a paratha or a roti. And now on a hot griddle, I'm going to apply some oil and then land my Tiranga Paratha on top and cook on medium flame for the next 30 to 45 seconds. I'm also going to apply some oil on top of the paratha and then let's flip the paratha and cook for more 30 to 45 seconds till the time both sides are nicely cooked. And looks like our paratha is ready, so let's remove it in a plate. And I can't resist it, so I am digging in. Really amazing. It has so many blends of flavors, spinach and carrot and of course maida with the carom seeds. The ajwain really gives a kick to this dish. Also guys, don't forget to make the spicy green chutney because that will like really take this dish up a notch. And I hope you enjoyed spending time with me, and I will see you very, very soon. Meanwhile, don't forget to click on this subscribe button. Do it right now. Right now, just do it. That is one way you guys can support me. If you like this recipe, you're definitely going to like this one. And do not miss clicking on this link. And I will see you very soon. Bye. Take care.